Hey Denise, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over 3 things you could start doing today to help bring more customers into your business. I've found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they can do to help grow their company and impact their business positively for free has resulted in some of those business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan that I give you today and do it yourself, well, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above its competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content quantity. So content quantity is basically what it sounds like, the amount of content on your pages, but mainly this home page. So I took your website and I plugged it in a tool called SEO Quake. We can see you have about 1,100 words. Now Google's release that their algorithms, when they search, are looking for a minimum of 1,500 words on a home page to be optimized within their platform. So basically just by adding 400 words, you can improve kind of your ranking and your standing in Google's eyes by meeting that minimum requirement. Now the second thing I'm going to talk about goes hand in hand, and it's the content quality. Now as we can see here, this site breaks down your top keywords or words you use. We can see you have asbestos removal, fibers, and Anaheim. Those are all really good. The only thing I'll say is you're not using them enough, and that's going to come back to the content quantity. So the way keywords work is if I type something into Google, what's pulled up is going to be the keywords I'm looking for. So I typed in asbestos removal Anaheim, and we can see that right here the number 1 is this PWSCI, these guys. So I did the same thing. I SEO quaked them, and we can see that they have asbestos removal Anaheim 4621 and 16 times. So as you can see, you have asbestos more, but they have everything else more. Now, they're also not meeting that 1,500 words, and they're at the top. So you're asking, how is that? You just told me you need good content. I did. But the third thing I'm going to talk about is actually the most important, and that's going to be your offsite SEO. So if we look at a tool I use called Ahrefs right here, we plug your website in and we can see that you have a DR, or domain rating, of 4.6. You have 106 backlinks, and you're drawing in roughly 18 organic traffic. That's how many clicks a month you're getting, or how many people visit your website organically. So just by typing into Google. Now, what a backlink is simply a link from one website to another website. So for instance, if site A is pointing to site B, then site A is giving link juice to site B, which is more authority in Google's eyes. It's pretty much a popularity contest, but there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain needs to come from quality backlinks and is only effective when you use relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have an asbestos removal company or a water damage restoration company linking to you, or a tool company that you could use linking to you, maybe even a blog, that would be more effective than something like Pizza Hut linking at you, because you guys don't sling pizzas. So again, we're going to look at your top competitor, and we can see that they have 650 roughly backlinks, and they're getting about 138 visitors a month. So that's pretty crazy. Now all this value is saying is how much you would be paying a month for ads if you were to have that much organic traffic. So just getting that organic traffic is a lot of money that you could be missing out on. Now, in closing, we discussed 3 things. We talked about content quantity and how you want to have 1,500 words or more on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed the content quality you use and how you want to have the keywords that you want to be found for the most frequently in this. Thirdly, we discussed link juice and backlinking and how you need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you could be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, like I said, you can take all the information in these plans that I gave you today and do them all on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. Can't wait to hear back from you. Have a great day.